Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be doing something a bit different from the videos I have previously uploaded. We've seen different tests of different studio monitors and such that are obviously high resolution speakers with very good quality. But today we're going to be doing something slightly different, and that is sound check on the Sony XB23, which is my personal Bluetooth speaker. It sounds pretty good, I think, for the price you pay. You can find it on Amazon for roughly $70-80, and it's a pretty good deal. That being said, let's switch to the sound tests, which you'll be the judge of if this is good for you or not.
Once upon another place and time, there lived a bonny girl whose only crime was to hold inside her heart a secret love sublime. And though a lover lingered near, she gave no sign. Imprisoned by her station in society, she kept her secret love a mystery, till she locked away her broken heart and lost her key. And the love that might have been will never be. What is, you might wonder, the meaning of this tale? How does it to us here pertain? If you turn down my love, it may never come again. You'll regret it. So if you want me to, I can show you the time of your life. I will be there for you, just as long as you say that you want to. And if you want me to, I will listen to all of your dreams, and I'll be there with you. And all you have to say is you want to. And if you want me to, I can show you the time of your life.
Massive computer network, the one that's becoming really big now.
What do you mean that's big? How does one know? What do you write to it like mail?
No, a lot of people use it and communicate. I guess they can communicate with NBC writers and producers. Allison, can you explain what internet is?
All all this